Welcome to the Vertiv Partner Certification Program, where learning meets experience, and every detail is designed to empower our partners.
From the very first moment, our partners are embarking on a transformative journey. This goes beyond the conventional training. It's a strategic investment in developing expertise and confidence required to excel in today's competitive landscape.
The Vertiv Partner Certification Program is crafted to empower you with essential skills, enhance confidence, dedicated support from Vertiv expert team of application engineers and product managers. This comprehensive program equips you with the tools to differentiate yourself in the industry. Join us and take the next step in your professional development with Vertiv.
This certification is a step-by-step growth plan. It starts with the learning, the specialist foundation, progresses to the professional level with live interactive sessions and focused technical activities, and culminates in the expert on-site immersion at Vertiv Academy here in Bologna. Each step increases practical exposure and tool access. And crucially, expert-level partners continue to receive follow-up sessions and exclusive support, so they stay up to date and keep consolidating their skills. It's not just a program, it's a partnership where our technical sales team and trainers continue to stand by their side. A started path from specialist through professional to expert supports partners in growing, gaining confidence, and thus learning into a competitive advantage. Certification is more than a badge. It's a proof of expertise, access to Vertiv tools, and a clear differentiator in the market. It shows customers that our partners are prepared, professional, and supported by Vertiv's global expertise. In the Power Chat, partners build the expertise they need to design and deliver solutions across mid-power portfolio. Through workshops, hands-on practice, and access to configuration tools, they gain practical skills that make a real difference in customer projects, always supported by Vertiv experts who are there to guide them step by step.
IT Systems Track offers partners comprehensive learning experience across Vertiv entire IT infrastructure portfolio, from UPS systems and racks to software and integrated smart solutions, as well as tools like a Vertiv Solutions Designer. What sets this path apart is the privileged access to advanced tools, engagements in thematical workshops, immersive technology demonstrations at our cutting-edge facility, and high-density showroom. Partners also benefit from a direct collaboration with our expert team of application engineers and product managers who share invaluable field-driven insights to elevate their technical expertise and solution delivery.